Hi everyone. In this video, let me explain you how to reset a password. If the account is blocked after multiple failed attempts, an admin or authorized staff can reset a password by navigating to the admin, user setup. Under the user setup, users, the user screen will be opened. There you can select the respective profile. You can see the account is blocked. Click on reset password button. A temporary password will be created. The same temporary password will also be shared to the respective user's email address. Click on copy and close. The temporary password will be copied. You can share this temporary password to the respective user. They can enter their username, and in the password they can enter the temporary password and click on login. When they click on login, the reset password screen will be appearing. They can enter the new password and click save. Now the new password has been created. Using this new password, they can log into Unitecare application. So this is how you have to reset a password. Thanks for watching.